subscribe, and press the bell icon and never miss an update. We need one Arduino UNO, 3 jumper wires, 1 servo motor and 1 servo motor gear set. Connect jumper wires with motor. Brown wire is for ground. Orange for power and yellow to get signal from Arduino. On Arduino board, connect yellow wire with pin number 13. Orange jumper wire with 5-volt power pin. Brown jumper wire with ground pin. Let's have a close look at the connections. Motor is operational now. We will see the code in a short while. You can download the code from the link given in the description. SG90 servo motor can move up to 180 degree. Presently, we are moving the motor from 10 degree to 180 degree. Uploaded program rotates the motor at 10 degree with each rotation. Delay function pauses between 2 rotations. We have used 100 milliseconds. More delay means slower rotation and less delay means faster rotation. I am changing the rotation from 10 degree to 1 degree. Uploading the code. It is so fast that it is not able to complete the 180 degree rotation. Let's change the delay to 600 milliseconds. Uploading the code. It is damn slow. I think we should set a moderate number. Try yourself with 100 for angle and 100 for delay. Servo motor is quite useful in science projects. You will see it in our upcoming videos. So, stay tuned.